What is Khoh, Missy?
It's you carry it on the back like the back only, like your back. See, like
How?
this. See?
Oh, like this.
Like this.
That's nice.
You want to carry?
You should have told me today when we were going to buy chicken. I would have carried it.
Yeah. If you carry this, then we'll put the chicken here.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll buy something else.
It's
Then.
only for men like you.
Tomorrow we'll buy something else
Carry?
just to carry this. Yeah, hold it then.
Like the back only. Yeah, it's like that. See?
Wow, that's nice.
Wow.
I want one koi. Ek koi. मुझे मिलेगा खाने. And now we are approaching Bara Bazaar. So guys, this is the portrait. See this?
Wow.
That's you. This is why this waterfall is called Rainbow Waterfall. Come now, one picture. Yes. Milliam village, which is famous for the meat dishes. Can I carry water for you?
Yes.
Is there a place to get haircut here? Do I look handsome? Hey, karte hain, come now.
You didn't tell me she's beautiful.
Because I don't have to tell you.
It's morning. Wake up now. Even my mom already went out.
Okay. Good morning, guys. From Riwai village in Meghalaya. The real village. Let's go out and see how the morning looks here. I can hear the rooster calls. That's one of my favorite parts about any village. There's a house cat who sleeps here in the kitchen. Where is the cat? All right. Who's there? Oh.
Morning.
Morning.
There's no.
Where is the cat?
I don't know.
This is a real village, guys. There's no, you see, there's no gas here. It's just this traditional stove. There's not even plumbing in the house.
You want to make fire?
Huh? Make fire? Fire now? Here?
Yeah.
Okay. I will do that. I was talking about plumbing, guys. There's no plumbing here. So the way the water comes, I saw the moon, yeah. The way the water comes here is, there is one pipe. This pipe you see. So from the river up top, they have put one pipe. So there's always flowing water in that pipe from the river, always. And that's somewhere over there, about a minute's walk from here. That's where the water is coming from the river. And then there are several pipes. They have to connect their own pipe to the main pipe to get water here. So like if they need water right now, they will go there and connect their pipe to the main pipe and the water will come to them. Now if somebody else wants water, then they will disconnect their pipe, connect their pipe and the water will go there. So that's how the water is going to all these houses. And at one time, no two houses can get water because there's one main pipe to which all of them connect their pipe whenever they run out of water. So they always keep reserve of water. Let's I'll show you that. You make fire. So all the vessels over here are filled, and even outside the toilet they have this big drum of water that's also completely filled up now. So they have to keep a lot of reserves of water. Good morning, Taki. How are you, Taki? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Do you want fire? Are you cold? I'm a little cold. Let's take Dawki to the kitchen, and she sits here. She actually sits here when the fire is on, and she's feeling cold. She would come and sit here. And the fire is ready. Let's get closer to the fire. Dawki, are you enjoying? Let's have the tea.
His own spoon, see? He loves to use that.
It's a spoon.
So he owned it.
And this is what?
The local,
Yum.
not yam. It's kind of a root.
You have it with tea?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
try it.
Let's try the root. Interesting.
Palm ready na pagane and ngam.
But this is not dinner time.
Yeah, I know.
We'll probably be having one or two of the puris
You want to try with honey?
with honey.
That's it. It will be nice.
It'll be nice. Okay, then we'll have it with honey.
Let me get some.
That's local honey. Local honey. There is honey bee also. Not honey bee, honeycomb.
Honey, what?
There's honeycomb in the bottle itself. We'll finish the breakfast now and see you outside. That breakfast, guys, was literally finger licking good. And now Missy is making kwai for me. I'll have the kwai and then we'll go. There's the kwai. Let's take a Khoh here. Good morning, Kong. King Kong, good morning. We'll wear the hat also. Yeah, keep it here. Yeah, of course.
Well. Sukanya na natokan. Aik
Now we'll go shopping, eating kwai, and fill something up and fill something in a Khoh. Good morning. So this is Riwai village. In the morning, the time right now is 7:30. Who is this one?
Asa.
He करते हैं no?
Simiti.
Simiti. That's your cousin?
Yes.
We'll fill up the Khoh. Because we're not just carrying Khoh for show. We have to use the Khoh. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. This is what I was talking about. Even the children will come out of their homes, and in the morning they will clean the streets. Now you see for yourself. It's not just something that I was saying to present a good picture. No, that really happens here. That's why the villages of Meghalaya are so clean. This is what they do every morning. Over there also they're cleaning, sweeping the street. Come now. Come now. What do you want to buy?
I don't know.
What do you buy in a Khoh?
We don't buy anything in the Khoh.
You don't carry anything in a Khoh?
This we carry to the jungle.
To the jungle? Okay.
Yeah, and you carry in the village.
What is he selling? Rice, eggs, what?
Eggs, yeah.
Eggs,
Tomatoes.
tomatoes,
Potato.
potato. Okay, let's have 1 kilo. This one. 1 kilo. That one. 1 kilo. This one. Let's see how much the Khoh can carry. What is she saying?
But you are carrying this here.
DC traveler would have loved to go to the jungle as well to carry the wood in a Khoh, but guess today is not the day. And if we can't put the eggs on a Khoh, then doesn't matter. We do have a carrier.
And who's that?
The carrier knows who it is.
Tomato.
Do you want something? Oh, there are kids, so let's get something for the kids also. Kids are not too excited about potatoes and tomatoes and eggs. Get some. Ask them anything what they want. Oh no.
Okay, they want that one.
Okay.
Two, it's enough. How long can now? Sauce Pakistan, 450.
Okay. Hold this. 2 is enough. Nothing else. That's it. 2 is not enough.
Baro.
Full.
Quay like thousand.
2 is not enough. Take it home. Now how much?
440.
440. Keep it for you. Keep the change. Kublai. Okay.
You want this?
Yeah, we have to carry that, right?
I don't think it will be. Let me try. Will it go inside?
It will go. It will stay like that. Fine, that's
then
fine.
You have to carry like that.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll carry like
let's
that.
go. Let's go from there.
Let's
Go
go.
Khap.
Bye bye. Now we arrived at her relative's house. Look at the house here. Come now. What is she making?
She's my father's sister.
Father's sister.
Elder sister.
Come now, Pilong. Come now, Pilong.
She's
Okay.
long finan down, Kaliu. She look now, she said.
What is she saying? No, I don't want to sit right now.
Oh yeah, she's asking.
I'm more comfortable this way. She wants something.
No, she was asking what I'm buying.
She wants something, take it.
Her Portrait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I've hired a portrait taker now. Because the portrait taker, this one, is able to make people smile better than we are. Show some window also. Show some window for contrast. Yeah, this is better. See. Nice now. Yeah. Yeah, this is better. I didn't like this.
You didn't like this? Why not?
With the window.
Oh, then get the other one.
Now you got it. You got one. Nice.
She's a patali ng mga. What? Basta. Okay, what? Okay.
Yeah. I did see one nice one where she was smiling also, and there's window. Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyone, this is nice.
Fine.
Yep.
Sao đây Hiền?
Mới lại về.
She's cute now. Mình câu nọ sẽ.
Mới lại.
Để đây câu nọ cho nè. Nga câu nọ cho là bạn. Này sẽ sợ là. Tay nào mơ. Let's go.
Let's go. And we're back. We did the shopping in a Khoh. To its place.
Theo trở lại ở xã Busan thế này.
And we're done with the Khoh caring and the shopping. And now we are on the terrace. Some chili is drying here. There are some betel nuts. Alright guys, so DC Traveler stayed in the village in Meghalaya, here in Riwai. I think we are at the end of this stay in the village. This may be 1-part or 2-part vlog, I'm not sure right now. Most likely it will be a 2-part vlog. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well. And stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. The links to all the episodes and the playlist are in the description. Check them out. Signing off from Riwai. Bye bye.